Hello Starlight, are you feeling like your drawings are too stiff and need a bit more emotion? Keep watching and I'll show you how to add that intense look to everyone's faces. The first face that we'll be drawing together is someone that's in love. So to start off with, draw a circle, a center face line and also an eye line. Draw a slight curve to where the cheeks are and also the top of the head is. For someone that's in love, their gaze is usually softened and almost halfway shut. They'll have a subtle smile on their face and might even blush a little bit. And their eyebrows will be slightly raised together. For someone that's upset, their face muscles will mostly be drooping downwards. So for instance, the eyes would droop, the eyebrows and also the mouth, although it can be pushed up if they're sniffing very haphazardly. And you can also add tears as well. I like to do them slightly off the chin. For someone that's fiercely angry, I wanted to do someone that had turned their head very fast. And usually when you're angry, all your muscles are very tense. So for instance, your jawline would be tense. Around your mouth, it'll be very tensed up as well. And for the mouth, it'll be turned down. The nose might be slightly scrunched up together, so there's a little bit of lines on that. The eyes will be fiercely wide open, so you tend to widen your eyes. I get that a lot if I'm angry at something, then someone will tell me, oh, your eyes are really wide open, and your nostrils might be flared as well. Your eyebrows will be more furrowed towards where your nose is as well. And if you wanted to do braids, for instance, like I've done with this, you can draw a line in any direction that the person's turning towards and do slight bubbles. And also small wires within each bit of the braids. And for someone that is happy, their eyes are very bright, very open, and the eyebrows won't be raised, and a massive smile will be wiped across their face, and usually the cheekbones are more higher when you're smiling. And those are the 4 main emotions that I wanted to cover today, which is love, sadness, anger, and happiness. If you enjoyed this tutorial, comment a pen emoji, and I'll see you in the next one.